Wow. Can you believe you are here? We are making a sway day 4. Yeah, we're building a little bit more, but really today is all about sharing that sway about your Black history research and wrapping up this project and showing it off to your teacher. So let's get our 10 last steps in for the day. As always, step 1, we've got to reopen that sway through Office 365. Tap on sway, tap on your presentation, and again, it's going to take you straight to the storyline view. I know my storyline screenshot only has that title and first image, but yours has gotten a lot bigger. You should have a stack, and you should also have a slideshow when you look at your storyline. Now, before we move into sharing what our sway looks like, step 2 today is just looking over your work. Before we begin sharing, look over your work for the past few days. Are you happy with them? Did you include a title and a title image? A stack with 3 photos and 3 sentences? A slideshow containing 5 pictures with captions? Did you start each sentence with a capital letter and end it with an ending mark? And how do you feel about that theme? Does that theme still look right to you, or do you want to change up your fonts, what the background images look like, what the colors look like? Really take a moment and play around with your sway and make sure it is exactly how you'd like it to look before we begin sharing it with our teacher. So this is going to be a big moment for you to pause this video. You should take the time to go through, check for typos, check and see if your images are still linked, and really make sure that this is a sway that you're proud of before you turn it in. I'll be here waiting for you, but pause this video and come on back when you're ready. Otherwise, I'm going to move on to the next step to start sharing this thing in about 3, 2, 1. When you're ready to share your work, tap on the share button in the top corner that has an arrow pointing out. When you tap on that share icon, it's going to give you lots of ways that you can share this sway with people around you. And we're going to do it in one very specific way. So pause this video to locate that share button before moving on to the next step in about 3, 2, and 1. Step 4, when you tap on the share, you're going to see this menu appear. Now, the settings automatically have it that the link can only be seen by people in your organization. We want to change that. Tap on the choice that says anyone with link. So you're going to go from this in the top image with the center option chosen and selected to this at the bottom where the third option is chosen. That means that when you send the link through Seesaw, it'll be open and public for me to look at and be able to grade. So take a moment, pause this video if you need to change those settings, and I'll see you for step 5 in about 3, 2, and 1. We're moving and grooving today because we're already on step 5. Now that you've changed the link so that anybody with it can see your sway, let's copy the link. Do you see this gray button and it has 2 stacked papers on it? That's kind of like a universal symbol for copy. You're going to tap on that gray button and the link is automatically going to copy onto your iPad. So you don't need to highlight the entire thing and then click on copy. Instead, that gray button's going to do all the work for you. So pause this video to locate that gray button and tap on it so that you can copy your link for Seesaw. And I'll see you at the next step in about 3, 2, and 1. Now it's time to open the Seesaw app. You're going to open this assignment, the same assignment that this video is playing from, and you're going to press on the green button, prompting you to add a response. Now you've seen this menu before. This menu lets you choose lots of different ways you can show me your learning, and today we are going to be very specific. Step 7 is when you're given the options to respond, you're going to have these list of choices and you're going to tap on the link. Now I've circled link, I've had a big arrow pointing to it. That's the one you're going to want to tap on today. So take a moment to do that step. Step 8. Now you have that link automatically copied. So when you tap on the bar, you're going to see the option to paste the link. Paste your sway link into the line and it should read like this. Now, if you paste it and nothing goes into that bar, what happened is that you did not copy your sway link properly. Maybe you didn't tap on the gray button like you should have. Take a moment. If you didn't get a chance to have your link copy, if for some reason it didn't pop up, go back to your sway, tap on that gray button again, and then return to Seesaw to give it another shot. Otherwise, you should see a link that looks like this. And make sure it also says Sway Office. You don't want to accidentally copy another link that you didn't mean to. Make sure that it's the work that you did on Sway. Step 9, before you submit, tap on the green check mark. When you tap on the green check mark, your link should look like this. Now, if you made your sharing settings so that everybody can see it, you're going to see a really beautiful preview of your Sway. It's going to have your title image on it like mine does with Claudette. If you're seeing that yours looks like it has this mystery image in it, or it's not giving you a preview of your work, it might mean that you didn't properly click on the button that says share with anyone with the link, making it a public Sway. So you need to go back and make sure that you made yours public. But if your preview is turning out beautiful like mine, it's going to look like this. And let's just play it safe. Before you submit it, tap on that link and it should open your Sway into Storyline View. Don't worry if it's not popping up in Play View or Design View. That's okay. I want it in Storyline View. Tap on your link, test it out, and see if you're viewing yours in Storyline. Remember to always pause along the way if you need more time because, folks, we're here. We are almost at step 10. So if you need to, pause this video. Otherwise, I'll give you step 10 in about 3, 2, and 1. I mean, could you guess what it was? It's time to submit. Submit your work so I can see your beautiful Sway projects. And my friends, you've done it. You have completed your 10 steps of the day. Congratulations to you, 4th grade. Your work looks beautiful, or, I haven't seen it. I'm just assuming since you're so smart that it looks so beautiful. But I am so excited to see what your Sway looks like because we're going to spend the rest of the week presenting them.